Hello, and welcome to Brian Tries Eating. Today, since I just recently had gum surgery, we're gonna have some soup. Pea soup. No, that's not made of urine, it's made of peas. Today, I have, for the first time, someone else who will also probably hate it, Eris Meyer.
We'll see.
And this is my friend Andrew who made the soup. He likes this.
Yeah. I cooked it.
I cooked it.
It's split pea soup. So you're gonna have some pea soup, Brian?
Yeah, pea soup. Serve me up.
Not enough.
A little bit more. Okay. Language. All right, folks. This is Brian having his first pea soup ever.
It's got carrots and onions and celery.
Ready? Not bad.
What? Okay.
That's not
This
bad.
looks
I like it.
disgusting. Oh.
More.
It tastes like when you burp and like some food comes back up. Oh, that's disgusting.
More. Have some more.
You have some more, Brian.
Oh, that's so gross. Do you like that?
It's like mashed potatoes. It barely tastes like
Yeah, it
it.
tastes like vomit, dude.
Does not taste that pungent.
Oh.
So, scale of 1 to 10.
0.
0 being the best.
Oh, that's disgusting.
I like it. What do you get when you go to Pea Soup Anderson's?
I don't. I go to
Souvenirs?
Harris Ranch.
I
and
get
a
souvenirs.
steak like a normal human being.
I get souvenirs.
That is disgusting.
What would you rate it, Brian?
4?
What is it? It reminds you of mashed potatoes?
It kind of just tastes like mashed potatoes.
Did you ever change a baby's diaper? Because that's what this is,
Do you think
dude.
Brian has ever changed a baby's diaper?
Hell no.
That is disgusting.
It's just like thin beans.
Like you eat this like when you're hungry or like this is something you want.
Occasionally.
Have you ever had
It's
like,
really good with like a
chili
grilled
or
cheese. I make chili too.
tomato soup with grilled cheese is very nice.
I think I like this better than tomato soup with grilled cheese.
Listen, it's not bad. Oh. We spilled a little bit.
Whoops.
It's not bad, you know. It tastes like peas. No, actually, no, it doesn't taste like peas because I hate peas.
Then what does it taste like?
Mashed potatoes. Maybe with the carrots, it tastes like Japanese curry.
Do not insult curry.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us for Brian Tries Eating Pea Soup. Eris hated it. Brian was indifferent. Andrew loves it. I probably won't eat it again, but if I was starving, I could eat it.
If I was starving.
And there was nothing else.
If I was starving.
And somebody made it. Like I didn't have to make it. Thanks for joining us, guys. Like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Enjoy. Maybe why don't you try and widen your horizons? Have a nice day.
Hit that subscribe button.